Keeping normal blood glucose levels is important for your overall health. Diabetes is a disease that occurs because of the inability of the body to break down sugar, which results in high blood sugar in the body. Even though diabetes is a chronic disease, it is completely treatable. You can manage diabetes with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, not using tobacco, maintain healthy body weight, and take the prescribed diabetic medicines. Ayurveda has proved revolutionary in treating diabetes. It not just treats the patient from the disease, but also ensures that a body has enhanced immunity to stay safe from further damage. What are the types of diabetes? There are different types of diabetes, out of which type 1 and type 2 diabetes are the commonly occurring diseases. Type 1 diabetes is a condition where the beta cells are destroyed and the body fails to produce insulin. In type 1 diabetic cases, insulin needs to be taken lifelong so that the body can metabolize sugar effectively. Type 2 diabetes is mostly a lifestyle disorder. Lack of exercise and poor dietary choices can lead to the malfunctioning of the cells that produce insulin. As a result, the insulin produced is not sufficient to break down glucose. This causes an increase in blood sugar levels. Beta cells make insulin, a hormone that controls the level of glucose in the blood. When blood glucose levels begin to rise, beta cells respond swiftly by secreting part of their accumulated insulin while also boosting insulin synthesis. However, in patients with diabetes, these cells have either been attacked and killed by the immune system, which is known as type 1 diabetes, or otherwise unable to generate enough insulin to keep blood sugar levels under control, which is known as type 2 diabetes. To know about how Ayurveda can help to improve the beta cell functions and beta cell regeneration for the management of diabetes, read our blog. Beta cells treatment in Ayurveda, all you need to know about its diabetics implications. Link in the description. Visit knobdiabetes.com to regulate your blood glucose in a supernatural way than ever before with no side effects.